Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to quickly connect a scanner to your tablet in the Slimrate system. First, make sure your scanner is connected to the tablet via USB. Next, open Slimrate POS on the tablet with the scanner already plugged in. The register screen will open right away. In the lower left corner, find the button with 3 lines and tap it. This will open the main menu. Select Settings and go there. In the list, find the 4th option, Scanners, and tap it. Now in the top right corner, tap the blue Add Scanner button. A QR code will appear on the screen. You need to scan this code using the scanner you want to connect. Go ahead and scan it, and that's it. The scanner is now automatically added to the system. Let's make sure everything works. Go back to the register screen and try scanning any item. Perfect! Everything's working just like it should. Now you know how to quickly connect a scanner to your tablet in the Slimrate system. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and see you in the next videos.